Welcome to our channel. Today, you'll learn exactly how to fix broken account links in Mint. With an easy-to-follow guide, welcome to our channel. If you've been using Mint for your budgeting and finances, you might encounter broken account links that disrupt your tracking. An overview fixing these links is essential to keep your financial data accurate and up to date. Here's a professional step-by-step guide on how to fix broken account links in Mint, so you can continue managing your money smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Mint account. First things first, open the Mint website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Identify broken account links. Go to the Accounts section and look for accounts marked as broken or with connection errors. These are the ones needing repair. Step 3. Remove the broken accounts. Before reconnecting, you need to remove the problematic accounts to avoid duplication. Go to the Account settings and select Delete or Remove for those broken accounts. Step 4. Browser cache and cookies. It is possible cache data is causing connection issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies, especially if you use the web version of Mint. Step 5. Re-add the accounts. Go back to Accounts and then select Add Account. Enter your bank or financial institution credentials. Carefully follow the prompts to securely reconnect the accounts. Step 6. Verify updated account information. Once re-added, Mint will sync your latest financial transactions. Confirm that all data looks correct and links show as active. Step 7. Manually refresh your accounts. If syncing doesn't happen automatically, manually refresh the accounts by clicking on the refresh button in Mint. This often resolves lingering connection problems. Step 8. Contact Mint support. If problems persist, if after these steps your accounts still show broken links, reach out to Mint's customer support. They can assist with back-end issues or specific bank connection problems. Remember, keeping your Mint account links working correctly means you get the most out of your budgeting and can avoid surprises in your finances. Don't forget to regularly check your account connections, as banks update their systems frequently and might require you to re-authenticate your accounts. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. We'll continue bringing you the best financial tips and tech guides.